Introduce highlight features or overview summary for DollarDash 26 per day, portable countertop ice maker. Highlight features or overview summary are include: fast ice production. This countertop ice maker can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. It can make up to 26 pounds of ice per day, guaranteeing a steady supply of fresh ice for any occasion. 2 sizes of ice available. You can choose between 2 different sizes of bullet ice cubes to meet your drinks and cooling requirements. It's perfect for cocktails, smoothies, sodas, or even cooling food. Self-cleaning function. The ice maker has a self-cleaning function, which makes maintenance easy and ensures the machine stays sanitary and ready for use. Includes ice basket and scoop. This ice maker comes with a removable ice basket and a convenient scoop for easy serving. You don't have to dig out ice with your hands as everything you need is provided. Portable and convenient. This ice machine is designed with a carry handle, making it easy to move from one room to another or take outdoors for parties. Its compact size fits well on any countertop, ideal for home kitchens, offices, bars, or parties. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.